morning, guys. I just received my order today from Giclee today. I got some prints in the mail, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing video. So just to start off, I did order these on October 25th, and I got an email exactly 1 week later, so 5 business days later, that they had been shipped. I did ask that they send them to me by November 15th, that I received them by November 15th, so that was well ahead of that timeline. And then after they told me they were shipped, exactly 5 business days later, I received them another 5 business days later, so exactly 1 week again, which is right within their timelines because they did say about 4 to 6 business days to receive them. So that was really nice. These over here are the prints that I had created here that I'll be unboxing for you. And the one thing I'm curious to see is these two papers are actually a bit of a different color. I'm not sure if you can see that. So I'm curious to see if they still look like that or if they look a little bit closer in color. I did try to edit them before I ship them out online, so we'll have a look. So basically what you do here is you take a really high quality picture of your artwork, you crop it, you choose your size, you choose your paper, and then Giclee today will print it out for you. So let's have a look. Would have been a good idea for me to get some scissors. Hold on. So I did order these prints on their Giclee Today Studio Textured Watercolor paper because the actual originals are watercolor paintings, so I wanted something similar to that. It is 300 grams. They had another watercolor paper, but I wanted to try this one. It's supposed to be bright white. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, there's more packaging. Packaged nicely. Well protected. It does seem quite thin though, I have to admit, since I ordered 6 of each, so there should be 18 prints in here, and I did ask for them to be pre-packaged as well, so already bagged because I'm obviously going to be selling them. So that was one of the options, so curious to see what that looks like. All right. Okay, so pretty nice. I like that the packages are still open, so that allows me to take them out of the packaging. Oh, this is awesome. So the backgrounds are matched in color, which is really nice because I was really worried about that. So that's really fantastic. Let's take one out of the packaging here. So I'm not sure if you can see the texture on the paper there, but the texture is really quite nice. There's the back. I'm not sure if you can see that any better. The color is very nice. The texture is great. I really have no complaints here. These look amazing. And let's have a look at the last version. Perfect. So those are the 3 together. I am really pleased with this. And And the thickness of the paper is so nice. Really, really nice and thick. Again, that was 300 grams. The price was pretty reasonable for these. I definitely have no complaints here. This was really great, and I will for sure be ordering from them again. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully that'll help you if you'd like to order some prints of your own. I would definitely recommend using Giclee today.